Thank you very much for serving with us 14 months. I hope so. Serbia left some good memories with you, and I hope so you will not forget us. It's a famous sentence, brother, sister, don't forget us. And we would like to give thanks to God for you and pray on the end for you. And it was a good year and blessed year, and it was privileged that we could work together. Amen. And some of you knows you a few months, some of you knows you 14 months. And we in EUS, I remember Ljubica and I, we prayed for some young missionaries, young students to come, and you were like an answer to our prayers. And thank you very much for everything what you have done in the front of EUS and ICF. I'm apologizing if something went wrong, but I don't think so. Something went wrong. I'm only apologizing because sometimes I'm late to the meetings with you. But now you will get used to it that in America now everything is planned. That was the teaching process, Џејк, for you too, about patience and flexibility, etc. God's timing. But please share. We would like to hear from you. Because of like, can you share without microphone? Just be a little bit louder, because Philip told me if you speak here, hello, but you can try. Hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Can you guys start? I started last time.
Oh.
Hey, come on,
Yeah. It's great.
Storytelling.
Yeah, just thank you guys for welcoming us and including us. It's been a joy to work alongside you and with you, specifically at the camps and things over the summer, and getting to know you, living with some of you. And yeah, just thanks.
Okay, I have nothing but good things to say about my time in Serbia. Even the hard things were lessons from God about patience and other things. I was talking to friends earlier today and I was like, man, this was the best year of my life and I wouldn't change anything about it. So, thank you all for loving me, for bringing me into your family.
I have nothing prepared at all to say at all, but I have so many friends here, and I'm so happy to be here with you, and gosh, I'm just so thankful, and there's really nothing else that I can say. It's just so many people here that I care about. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's been an awesome year. When I came here, I always bragged about not experiencing any culture shock. This is great. Like, this is awesome. The one, not being on time, but I'm trying to learn that. So, but no, it's been amazing just being here and serving with the AOS team, and Sam allowing me to help him and help at ICF, and serving alongside Jelena with Coffee Jenna, and just everything
It was Elsa and I, before we moved here, we didn't have hardly any friends. And moving here, we were nervous, like, man, are we going to have friends? We didn't have anybody to hang out with. And each one of you guys who we've gotten to be with have been such a blessing to us. You guys are now our family, and it's been beautiful to see how God's used each of you that we know in our lives, from our studies of Serbian with Željana and Kristina. To talking with Jelena in the cafe, going on trips with Filip, 40-minute late meetings with Samuel, talking theology with Alexander, going out with coffee with Johnny, all different kinds of things. It's been amazing. And
Playing basketball with Zoran.
Playing basketball with Zoran.
Eating shish.
Eating shish. Going to Ušće, going to center. Yeah, it's been great. And I'm so thankful to get to know one of you guys. All of you. Thank you.